Whereas some may not be aware, and some of us maybe sometimes take it for granted, Hampton Roads possesses something very special. And that something very special is ship repair. The capability and capacity that we possess is something that this country can never lose. The workforce takes an enormous amount of pride in regards to fixing and repairing ships so that those sailors can go do the things that are required to keep our country secure and free. One of the things that we possess is a legacy, but we've also got a future. Maybe if you're not so inclined to go to college, but you might be inclined to want to go do something else, what I would say is take a look at ship repair. There is no better workforce to be a productive member of, because you are going to be a national security asset that ends up helping our sailors keep our country safe, secure, and free.